टाइम ओह शिट मैन, फोन नहीं है, मैं फोन में टाइम देखती हूँ एंड इल्यूजन्स होने लगे कि नए मैसेजेस आ रहे, टू टू हो रहा है. टेक अ हैंड रिटन नोट, यू वोंट बिलीव. Let's directly come to the benefits of not using phone. Hello friends, this is Ruvia. Okay guys, as from the title you guys must be already knowing that today I'm going to start with my challenge. This is the first challenge on my channel, and if you guys like, do hit like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay guys, so today I'm going to do a challenge of 24 hours not using phone. So first thing, and even laptop, I won't even use laptop. First thing, I wanted to do this for long time because 24 hours में कुछ भी नहीं मालूम पड़ता है and we are like 24 hours तो एकदम निकल जाता है and we are even excited to do a challenge. So that's what I feel. So मुझे 1 week तक करना था but due to work and my work is totally on phone plus on laptop, so I can't manage that thing. But 24 hours, let's try and let's see how it feels and क्या होता है. Even I don't know, I have a lot of work to do today other than phone. वैसे भी मैं ज़्यादा फ़ोन यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ and since I have choose weekend, that is Saturday Sunday, मेरे को week off रहता है Saturday Sunday. So let's see, and today it is, you can see 10:39. It's 10:39 on my phone, so I'll keep my phone in the drawers and I'll just put it on silent. I don't want to switch off my phone because कुछ भी miss calls या messages रहेंगे, so I can get them tomorrow when I take my phone on my hands. And since I am at home, my mom and I'm connected with my family, and in case of emergency anyone can contact my parents as well as my brother. So ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. And yes, I have many friends but I am not in contact with everyone. Like none of them is in contact with me daily and regularly. So that's also not the matter. 24 hours में किसी को कुछ फ़र्क भी नहीं पड़ने वाला है. That's what I feel because मैं ऐसे गायब नहीं होने वाली हूँ कोई. So that's it, and no WhatsApp, no social media. बस एक चीज़ है कि I use YouTube for my workout and I work out daily. So कल सुबह प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है but I have stored all those things on my TV. So for that also I'm not going to use phone. So in short, phone will be totally in my drawer. And yes, one more thing, I have two phones. That is my personal phone and work phone. So I'll be keeping both of them. Work को भी छुट्टी दे दो यार, ठीक है. So no laptop, no two phones, nothing at all. So let's see what I'll be doing whole day. Guys, so ignore my face. I have done my workout and I have taken bath and did all of the morning routine things. Now since I have kept my phone in drawer, now I have to figure out what all things I have to do. So first thing is that I'll shoot couple of videos for coming week. ये मैं Saturday Sunday ही करती हूँ because full week मुझे time नहीं मिलता है. I have my other things to do as well. Like I'm not a full-time YouTuber. If you guys are following me since long time, you guys already know it. And I'll just get ready for that. Okay guys, so I have changed my clothes. नीचे का वही रहने दिया because obviously when I shoot video वो half ही दिखता है. Okay, so now I'll just do quick makeup. And अगर इसका complete tutorial देखना है, I'll put the link in the description box. I have made a separate video of my daily makeup, that is normal makeup without foundation, which you can do every day. So I'll just quickly get ready. मैं फटाफट से nail polish कर देती हूँ because वो कैमरा में दिखता है while I shoot videos. See, you can see अभी bottom normal सा ही है. So guys, I am done with my makeup, like simple makeup. And if you guys are interested in like how I did my makeup and what all products I have used, I have a separate video related this. I'll put that video in the description box, link of that video in the description box. So in case if you are interested, watch this video till the end and then go and watch that video. So yes, I'm done with my makeup and now I'm left to do shooting, and either I will shoot, you can see like I have to just adjust the camera and shoot. So I'll just shoot, and just the mess which is all over here I need to clean that. Like video बनाने time हमेशा बहुत ज़्यादा mess होता है. So yes, if you don't know. So guys, I'm done with shooting my videos, and yes, I pretty liked my look. Like I'm obsessed with this. I'm looking good. What do you guys think? Like abhi, like in previous clips only, like 2-3 clips back, if you see my face, I was like looking so bad. Shit man, I don't know, but ये look बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे पे. If you are interested, you can literally go and watch this video. Simple look है, foundation, concealer, contouring, आई शेडो कुछ भी नहीं किया है मैंने, लिटरली कुछ भी नहीं किया है. बट एनीवेज, दिस इज माई बुक. इफ़ यू गाइज फॉलो मी since long time, you know this is a book which says girl boss. So I pretty like this book. I am done with, so I'm just checking all these things which is written over here and my daily things which I have to do today. Oh, time, oh shit man, phone नहीं है, मैं phone में time देखती हूँ. You know, I have a habit of seeing time on my phone. But अभी कुछ नहीं, watch पहन लेते हैं. यार हम लोग कितना डिपेंडेड होते हैं फ़ोन पे, ये अभी मालूम पड़ रहा है मुझे. लाइक दिस इज़ ओनली द फर्स्ट थिंग. सो इट्स 12 o'clock, अबाउट टू 12 o'clock, लाइक 5 minutes ही बाकी है. बट पहले मैं ये क्लीन कर दूँगी अच्छे से, फिर देखते हैं क्या करना है. Take a break. I'll just go into my comfy t-shirt and get back to you. Okay, I'll just remove the lipstick. I don't like to keep the lipstick, like at least this dark lipstick, for the long time. हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा ठीक है. Not didn't want it to remove completely, that's why I didn't use makeup remover. So this is the bottle which I have to drink twice a day. So I have refilled it. Like सुबह मैं बहुत जल्दी उठती हूँ तो एक बार तो ख़त्म हो गया पी के. Okay guys, so I am just planning for the next week, like what all things I'll be doing, plus what all the videos and what all the stuffs I have to do next week and today and tomorrow. So I was just writing it down and what all the things which are done. But I'm pretty bored right now. क्या करें, मतलब what to do, like we don't have phone, so it's little difficult. Trust me, it is difficult. It is difficult. I was excited. I thought it will be really easy and fun. Like एक वीक के लिए मैं तो सोच रही थी, बट अभी तो हार्डली, लाइक मैंने घड़ी भी निकाल दी. मुझे आदत नहीं है घर पे घड़ी पहनने की, बट हार्डली 1-2 hours 3 hours मैक्स टू मैक्स हुआ रहेगा. एंड आई एम प्रिटी लाइक व्हाट, वो आदत रहता है फ़ोन पे स्क्रॉल करने का. इवन आई डोंट गेट एनी मैसेजेस, नो कॉल्स, नथिंग, बट एक आदत रहता है. इंस्टाग्राम खोल दिया, नोटिफिकेशन चेक कर दिया, व्हाट्सएप पे ग्रुप्स रहते हैं. कम ऑन यार, ग्रुप्स तो हम लोग एटलीस्ट स्क्रॉल करते ही है, भले ही वो ग्रुप्स म्यूट हो, एटलीस्ट वो कुछ लगता है. I don't know, let's see. I'll just have my lunch right now, so we'll take you there. Just few of the household things. Okay guys, so I want to tell you some things, like really amazing things. पहली चीज़, I was watching Tarak Mehta. I'm not that TV person, बट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वॉज लाफिंग वाइल वॉचिंग तारक मेहता बिकॉज मेरा पूरा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन उसके ऊपर था. एंड देन आफ्टर फ्यू एपिसोड्स आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग बोर्ड. फ़ोन की याद आने लगी एंड इल्यूजन्स होने लगे कि नए मैसेजेस आ रहे, टू टू हो रहा है, लाइक माई टोन इज़ टू टू समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो ऐसे इल्यूजन्स आने लगे. सो दिस शोज़ दैट वी आर सो मच एडिक्टिव टू फ़ोन. लाइक बहुत एडिक्शन है फ़ोन का, सीरियसली. इफ़ यू विल ट्राई यू विल गेट टू नो. कुछ नहीं, बस सुबह से ये डायरी लेके घूम रही हूँ इधर उधर. दैट्स ऑल. इट्स 2:30 राइट नाउ and yes, I'll just watch TV और करूँ भी क्या. and I don't sleep at noon because I wake up really early and I don't want, if I sleep in the noon I sleep late at night and next day उठने में problem होता है. तो I make sure I don't sleep at noon. so वीडियो भी हो गया है. लाइक फ़ोन नहीं है तो कितना टाइम दिखता है. वी गेट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू डू प्रोडक्टिव थिंग्स. ओके गाइज, कुछ नहीं है करने को. एनीवेज, सो मॉम इज़ गोइंग टू ऑयल माई हेयर and I am using this Acne hair oil which is onion one because I just love the smell of this. The smell is really superb, so just you can have a look. Okay guys, I know it's a weird angle but I am in the car. I don't have tripod, so I have to adjust with this. Usually I vlog with phone and मैं बहुत सारा सामान लेके आई हूँ, as you guys can see. And yes, mask, don't forget the mask. And I have applied the lipstick, like light वाला lipsticks. मास्क के नीचे भी लिपस्टिक पहनती हो. इफ़ यू आर लाइक मी, जस्ट हिट लाइक टू दिस वीडियो. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू शो वन बेस्ट थिंग. फ़ोन नहीं है, मैं चीज़ें भूल जाती हूँ, मुझे याद नहीं रहता है. सो आई हैव जस्ट टेक अ हैंड रिटन नोट. यू वोंट बिलीव, लाइक सीरियसली फ़ोन के ज़माने में मुझे ये यूज़ करना पड़ रहा है बट नो ऑप्शन. लाइक बट ठीक है, इट्स रियली अमेजिंग. लाइक बहुत रिलैक्स फील होता है. या इस बीच बीच में ख्याल आता है कि फ़ोन मतलब किसका मैसेज आया रहेगा, क्या रहेगा, फ़ोन किधर है. लाइक आदत रहता है ना कि स्क्रॉल करना है, तो याद आ जाती है फ़ोन की. एनीवेज, आई एम सो सॉरी गाइज. आई ट्राइड कीपिंग माई कैमरा स्टेयरिंग के आगे बट वो हिल गया व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड द कार एंड आई हैव नो वन, एज यू कैन सी, अराउंड मी टू कैच द कैमरा. सो आई कांट व्लॉग. बस ऐसे ही देख लो कि क्या हाल चाल है रोड पे. आप देख सकते हो गाड़ी भी स्टार्ट है. गाड़ी पॉज करके रखा है मैंने. पॉज, सॉरी, शिट मैन, गाड़ी स्टॉप करके रखा है मैंने साइड पे. बट नाउ आई विल जस्ट सी यू आफ्टर आई रीच होम, आफ्टर आई टेक बाथ. सो इन अ व्हाइल, बाय बाय. Okay guys, so I have just taken the bath. Now I'll just quickly do my hair and all those stuffs. I'll just blow dry my hair with this hair dryer. In case if you don't know, even I don't know, don't worry about that. Even I'm learning, like I'm just practicing and learning. Okay guys, I'm done with my hair and in case if you are wondering, I have straight hair, naturally straight hair. ये blow dry इसीलिए ताकि ये जल्दी dry हो जाए and थोड़ा सा shine दे. And the main part is that मुझे सीखना है. I want to learn blow dry, so I just do practice blow drying. And yes, it's said na कि if you want to learn something, you need to practice that thing. So that's what I believe and I do. So it's approx 7:30. I'll have my dinner. Yes, I have my dinner early, good for health. Yeah, so let's see what I'll do after dinner. Even I don't know. Okay guys, so done for the day and yes, hopefully मुझे आदत नहीं है while sleeping taking phone. No, it's not about habit. It's like yes, I take phone many a times but not daily. So that's not my habit. Like many of the times I sleep ऐसे ही थक हार के since I wake up really early nowadays. But oh shit. Without phone, how will I put an alarm? That's a problem now. ठीक है, मम्मी को बोलना पड़ेगा, कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. Let's see. But yes, I wake up really early. That is 5:30, 6 o'clock, and it becomes really difficult for me to be awake till late night. अगर late night नहीं जाग रहे तो फिर problem ही नहीं है to take phone. So yes, see you tomorrow. Okay guys, I have woke up. It's 5:35. Yes, I wake up at 5:30. Just nowadays, since few days, to just be productive in whole day. But yes, I do miss my phone. So it's little weird and difficult feeling. But anyways, mentally it really helps. So I'll just work out and get back to you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm done with my workout and this is the exact time when I check my social media. Like it consumes almost my most of the 1 hour, and right now I have nothing to do. I was just figuring out like what should I do. Can't even take laptop यार, वरना मैं मेरा काम कर लेती, इतना सारा टाइम है. But can't even take laptop as well. So what should I do? Seriously, it's really stressing कि क्या करें फ़ोन के बिना. It's not about फ़ोन नहीं है. It's just we don't know what other things we can do other than taking our phone. So I think अगर 1 week का चैलेंज होता तो we could have figured out कि क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. बहुत सारी चीज़ें करने के लिए. It's just हम लोग को स्ट्राइक नहीं होता है because we are just into our phone. I know बहुत ज्ञान की बातें हो गई and I look really bad because it's morning. Just understand guys. Guys, I have on the music on TV. Since I don't have phone, no one is awake, so I have to do breakfast alone. And मुझे खाना अकेले नहीं पसंद आता है. I never eat alone. But then also, phone यार, shit, make this habit. Try making habit not using phone while eating. Like I don't use phone while lunch and dinner, but while having breakfast, it's like it's a tradition. I use phone. But ठीक है, this is really different. Okay guys, so it's time up. 24 hours are done and I'm like मुझे नहीं लेना है फ़ोन, but ठीक है, I need to check few notifications and all those stuffs. और एक बार फ़ोन हाथ में आ गया means भूल जाओ कि you are going to keep it inside again. So anyways, 24 hours are done and I'm really happy. So I would like to share few things with you guys, but before that let's go and take the phone. Okay, so here are my 2 phones and oh shit, ये तो off हो गया. Damn. OMG. I guess Wi-Fi on था. Charging I don't remember कितना था. तो should I need to keep it on charge? Damn, off ही हो गया यार. Shit man, कब हुआ even I have no idea. Now this, yes, it has 3 मिस कॉल्स, बहुत सारे मैसेजेस, बट वर्क समथिंग. Anyways, I'll check that later. First, I'll finish this off. चार्ज पे भी बाद में रखती हूँ. Okay guys, so listen to me now. Just come ahead. Let's directly come to the benefits of not using phone for 24 hours. So number 1, you get a lot of free time. Number 2, you get to know your own self. Number 3, mental peace. Like कुछ स्ट्रेस ही नहीं रहता है कि इसका कॉल, ये मैसेज, सोशल मीडिया देख के हम लोग पागल हो जाते हैं. नंबर 4, यू कैन स्टे विथ योर फैमिली. लाइक पूरा टाइम हम लोग फ़ोन पे नहीं रहते हैं. एंड येस, आई नो फैमिली फ़ोन पे रहती है, तो व्हाट शुड वी डू अलोन. येस, येस्टरडे मेरे साथ ऐसा 2-3 बार हुआ कि एवरीवन वर ऑन फोन एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट शुड आई डू. बट ठीक है, इट्स रियली गुड एंड इट्स लाइक अ डिटॉक्स फॉर योर मेंटल हेल्थ. So I would suggest everyone should try this at least once a month. Do this like I am planning to do every weekend. So क्या शांति लगता है. It's really just in simple words, it's a detox for your mental health. For your body you need detox. Similarly for your mental health also you need detox. So for that this is the best option. Keep your phone away from you for 24 hours. It's like out of sight, out of mind, and yes, it worked. It's amazing. So इतना कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया. एंड डोंट इवन यूज़ लैपटॉप बिकॉज वहाँ पे भी वही सेम चीज़ है. व्हाट्सएप वेब है, फेसबुक है, इंस्टाग्राम है, सब कुछ है. सो जस्ट बी अवे फ्रॉम सोशल मीडिया. एंड इट्स नॉट ओनली द सोशल मीडिया बिकॉज मैं इतना सोशल मीडिया यूज़ भी नहीं करती हूँ. बट इट्स लाइक कि व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेजेस आते हैं. अगर हमको किसी के मैसेज नहीं, इफ यू आर लाइक मी, किसी के मैसेजेस नहीं आते, किसी के कॉल्स नहीं आते, बट देन ऑल्सो यू आर इन डजन्स ऑफ ग्रुप्स, तो वो ग्रुप्स में हम लोग स्क्रोल करते हैं. इट्स लाइक वी हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ स्क्रोलिंग स्टफ्स. एंड अगर कुछ भी नहीं है ना, हम लोग एट द एंड इफ यू आर लाइक मी, आई विल प्ले कैंडी क्रश. तो येस, इट्स अ गुड गेम. आई जस्ट लव दैट गेम. बट फिर भी I just love this 24 hours challenge. So you also do try. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried and let me know your opinions or your things. And it was just a simple vlog. And if you like me so far and if you like this video, do hit like to this video because video बनाने में बहुत मेहनत लगता है. And like करने में just 10 seconds. So do hit like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in next video. I upload my new videos every week, so you'll get something new to see every week. Bye bye.